What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode on Mod Moors. Um, so today we have a Toro time saver, zero turn, and customer complaint is running rough. Okay, we shut off this fan because it is hot here in Florida, guys. Here, I'm gonna put it on low because it is humid as hell, as you guys can tell. So is running rough. First indication, maybe bad gas, bad spark plug, bad gas filter, something. So I was trying to track fuel system related issue because the customer said, I think my guy put bad gas. So I changed the gas. I went and got non-ethanol gas. Still same issue. I'm gonna turn it on in a minute, and you guys can see how it's running a little weird. Change the gas filter. Still same issue. Change the spark plug. Still same issue. Double check the valves. The clearance. If it needed adjustment or anything, it was perfectly fine. Took the carburetor apart and cleaned it up, but it was freaking squeaky clean in there. Put it all back together, same issue. All right, so this is the problem that this is having. As you guys can see there, and let me tell you guys something. Toro, great design with this aluminum manifold, freaking amazing. So let's crank it up, and you guys can hopefully hear how crappy it's running. So you guys can hear it idles and it drops down, idles, drops down, idles, drops down. Even when you're driving it, you're going forward, and then it'll hesitate and then go forward again. So it's literally jerking you back and forth. So I end up taking off this spark plug, right? So I end up taking it out, and just smooths out. So I'm like, all right. I plug this back on. I pull this one off. Engine didn't want to start. So basically, this stupid, retarded coil is bad, and I would never guessed it. So I ordered two of these. I called the customer. I let her know that was the coil, and she was like, "You know what? Let's change them both." So, these coils go for $44. I got them through Parts Pro Direct, which they're pretty good. Kind of late on the shipping, but they're pretty good. And that is the part number, guys. I don't know if you can see that. Bam. There goes the part number. Okay. So they're really, really easy to change out. Okay. So I'm gonna change them out, and let's see how she runs. Alright guys, so we changed them. We'll put two 2 new ones on, and real easy. One spacing mount, use a business card, very simple. 2 bolts on each one. Make sure you connect your ground wires, your kills wires, and that's pretty much it. Very simple to do. So let's crank it up and let's see if she smooths out. So it looks like it did the job. The only way to really test it out is take it for its test drive. I think I have some grass to cut in front, so I could do that. So yeah, let's take it for a test drive. But we're gonna do that in the morning time. All right, guys. So we're gonna get her started. We're gonna see how she runs. I'm gonna go cut some grass, and let's see how she goes. like that. I'm gonna have to double check a couple things, but it runs, it cuts, running great. So remember guys, anytime you have an issue like that, 9 out of 10 times is gonna be the coil. So easiest way, you pull the spark plug off, and if it smooths out, you already know you have a coil issue. So until next time guys, remember guys, subscribe, like, share, anything you want guys. Until next time guys, on the Moors, and we are out.